Well, now move to next question. It's a question from inequality, right? In some, at least some of students find some difficulty in inequality, but it's simple. Let's see. So y is an integer. See, here also we have to underline the keywords. What is y? Y is an integer. Write down all the possible values of y. So here you can see that the value of 2y is in between what? -4 to 6. -4 to 6. Okay, so value of y is in between -4 to 6. So 2y. Therefore, what is the value of y? What about y? So -4 to 6. So that means if you want the value of y, we can divide all these terms by 2 so that it becomes y, right? So it becomes -4 over 2 is 2. 2 less than or equal to y less than 3. And y is what? An integer. So we have to identify, or we have to hand pick all the values of y that satisfies in between -2 to 3. So what is the meaning of this inequality? -2 is actually less than or equal to y, and y itself is less than 3. So since -2 is an integer, so answer can take -2 because -2 is possible to include. The next integer is at -1, and next integer is what? 0, then 1 and 2. Is it possible to include 3? No, because that and y has to be less than 3, right? So answer should be -2, -1, 0, and 1 and 2. So that is the answer for this question. Very simple. Now, B part. What is the B part of this question? Solve the inequality. 70 minus less than or equal to 2t plus 3. So we have to respect this inequality and we have to consider it as a linear equation. Similar to it, we can approach like a linear equation. And what is our aim? Our aim is to make t the subject. So as I said, in all the algebraic calculations, we have to identify the required term first. So what is that required term? T, right? So we have to bring all the t terms to one side. So you can bring this 2t to this side, and you can bring this -3 to this side. What happens? 70 minus 2t. Since it is an inequality, we have to put the same inequality sign. What is that? Less than or equal to, right? So -3 becomes what? +3, right? So 31 plus 3. So 70 minus 2t is what? That is 5t. So 5t less than or equal to 31 plus 3 is gonna be 34. Therefore, t is gonna be what? T less than or equal to 34 over 5. So what is the answer? T less than or equal to 34 over 5. Simple. It's over.